By default, Google Ads accounts are set to something called last click attribution modeling. And this means it's only the very last click which happens before a customer goes on to make a conversion, which is assigned the entire conversion or all of the conversion value. So what could happen is someone could come on to your site after clicking several ads, or click a sequence of ads, but then it's only the very final click which Google would pay any attention to and assign the conversion to. We find you can get much better data and make much better bidding decisions by taking account of every single click which happens in the run-up towards the conversion. And you can do that by switching the setting from last click to a different non-last click attribution model. So a model that we like to use is something called linear, where you're assigning an equal weighting for every single click that happens along the conversion path.